So this is how you can download Pinterest images in high resolution on your Android device. Now, obviously, if you just browse Pinterest, you can tap on any pin or any image, and you have the option to tap on the three dots button, which should give you the ability to download that image. A lot of times, the quality, in my opinion, is good enough when downloading this way. So at first, check it out. It's really convenient. It's built into the app and you can save it directly to your gallery. And if you notice that the photo is good enough, then it's just fine, right? So you don't really need to worry about anything. But if you'd like to have better quality, I would recommend you to instead tap on the share button and copy the link. Then you move over into a web browser and into your search, just type in a high quality Pinterest downloader. And there are going to be many different websites which allow you to paste your link to a public pin, and this will be downloaded, or it will allow you to download the content in high quality. So this is a nice backup method of downloading high quality images from Pinterest, and it should work sometimes even better than just using the built-in method. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to get it to work. If you liked that video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos about Pinterest, Androids, iPhones, whatever. It's all on this channel. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.